Another fine vehicle offered by Apple Ford Lincoln Mercury.
This is a 2007 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a luxurious package designed with the finest elements in mind. The balanced six-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, sets a new standard for refinement. Not to mention that this Mercedes-Benz qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Apple Ford Lincoln Mercury is located at 8800 Stanford Boulevard in Columbia. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.